welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on my 2019 Toyota Camry. We're going to be installing a radar detector on the mirror, rearview mirror. So we're going to actually install a Cobra radar detector onto this rearview mirror. So basically it's going to look something like this. We're going to be using a mirror mount that adjusts onto the mirror, and then we bolt it in, and this bolts on, actually slides into the radar detector, and then we're gonna hardwire it. So we're gonna run the cables from the radar detector all the way through, just like we did with the dash cam, all the way through down into the fuse box, and then we're gonna use a fuse tap to connect the hardwiring cable to the fuse box. So let's see how this comes out. I already did it for you guys, but just to show you, it's these two bolts, and this basically goes into the radar detector up here. So once it's mounted, you literally just slide it on and it should be on. So once you do that, you're gonna mount up this side, unscrew it. I'll mount this to the back post of the mirror, so it's gonna be right here. So it's gonna be something like this. Once it's done, it's gonna hang out like this. This is gonna be swiveled forward, something like this, and it'll hold the, well, properly, and it'll hold the radar to the actual mirror. So I'll fast forward a little bit since I'll need both hands to do this. Once you mount it, it should look something like this. So this slides under, and we'll catch on with this, like this. Let's hook it up. My car, it has this little plate that covers it up right here. You could put all the wires in here and have it covered up nice, and then runs into the headliner right here. So just like in my previous video for the dash cam, I'm going to be running the wires along the headliner, down the pillar, and then it'll go down here into the fuse box that's down there. So we run the wires, make sure it falls down this pillar, just the same wire we went with the dash cam, go all the way down to here, and then the fuse box is right there. We're going to connect it with the fuse tab. Once you make all the wires come through, they should all meet up down here. We're gonna connect it to the fuse tab. Make sure you take off this panel, and that panel right there, and also the rubber molding. It'll help a lot to drop the pillar and the molding to help the wiring go through. Try to tighten it up as best as possible to make it look clean and not visible. All right, so you see my dash cam is wired here. When it's a slash like this, it's always on. In other words, there's always power going to that fuse. My dash cam is on there. My interior lights, The LEDs, the Aura kit is actually on this one, which is P outlet number 1. There's actually the cigarette lighter. Only turns on when the car turns on. I put the radar right here on a washer. Where's this washer? That's the washer pump. Only turns on when the car's on. That's basically what makes your windshield wipers work. So make sure you're familiarized with your own car if you don't know where to put it. Alright, so once we install everything, so basically I put the other ground right here along with my dash cam. I also ran the fuse tap and put it right, oh, where is it? Right here. Right here, which is the washer pump, which only turns on when the car is on. This is my interior LEDs, and this one right here is my dash cam, which is always on. Make sure wherever you put the radar, it's not on a fuse that's always on. Like my dash cam is always running, so make sure that it's not always on. Find something that only turns on with the car. If not, you're gonna have the radar detector always on, and it's not convenient. Make sure you zip tie and arrange all the wires, and make sure everything's nice and cozy before putting all the plastics back. And you should, before everything, test it out. Make sure the radar turns on. So let's put it on. There you go. This accessory's on. So it's giving power. And it's not on fire. So that should be it on the wiring. And now we just put everything back together. Right, once done properly, when you turn the car on, your radar should turn on. Perfect. And it's on. It's a little bit loud, but there you go. It should turn off when you turn off the car. Perfect. See? My dash cam is always on. The blue light is the dash cam. It's always running, so that doesn't turn off, but this should turn off. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you. Thank you to all the supporters that we have on Instagram, Facebook, and now YouTube. Thank you for the support, and guys, please subscribe to our channels to help us grow. We have all these different types of projects coming along, different DIYs we could do, any requests that you guys have, comment down below so we can do them in the future. And hopefully we could feature one of you guys on our videos. And if you haven't yet, follow our Instagram and Facebook, and soon we're gonna have some merch out for you guys to be able to represent us in your own way. And once again, thank you guys. Have a good night. Until the next one.